สวัสดีครับ Nice to meet you everybody who comes here to listen to our presentation, The COVID Tale. The members of this group are พัทรพลศรีสมบัตินวพลตันประเสริฐ and ปรมัตถ์ปัญญะ Since 2020, every country all over the world has had to suffer from coronavirus. There are many people that are infected and lost their families. Moreover, it brings online learning to us. As everybody knows, this way of learning is less efficient than the usual way. The huge amount of homework, the pressure from surrounding, these factors could bring stress to the student too. So, we found that the main reason of the virus spreading is people don't know how dangerous it is and how to prevent coronavirus. These are the point of making this project. The COVID Tale is a game that can make people relax while playing and also give players information about the coronavirus. The objective of this project are to create a game that informs players about the dangers of COVID-19 and how to avoid it. And the second objective is to look into the effectiveness of the COVID Tale game.
Okay, next I will present about framework, the operation of the project. First, studies are conducted on COVID-19, whether it is prophylaxis or infection, and includes the way for protection, for example, social distancing. After that, we use the data study to make a video game started by downloading some model and creating other with a Blender. Next, we build the game with Unreal Engine 4. And finally, we will package all game, the COVID Tale, and pass it on to the tester colleagues, the result of the experiment and draw conclusion. About gameplay detail, when the game starts, we will find that person in the dome has a virus. From here, we as the head of the virus have to observe the daily routine of people in the dome, mutate ourselves to give us more ability and spread the virus as quickly as possible before humans know it and takes various measures to fight us back.
The findings of the project. In this study, we used a game performance test and knowledge of COVID-19 test that we will give to its users to do at before and after playing the COVID Tale game. For the sample group, we selected 22 students from Princess Juaporn Science High School, Chiang Rai, 6.1 class. From the knowledge of COVID-19 test score, the user has 2.82 average scores before playing and 7.68 average scores after playing, which is an increase of 54%. And next is the result of the game performance test. In the case of graphic, the user gives us 4.68 average scores, whereas spread system at 4.14, whereas mutation system at 3.91, and in the human response system, we get an average score of 4.23. Conclusion: the results indicate that the COVID Tale game can give players knowledge about how dangerous and how to protect themselves from COVID-19, and this game can work smoothly and efficiently as our expect.